Okay, y'all, so welcome back to another one of my videos. We're gonna do a day in the life of an entrepreneur, and I'm gonna take y'all behind the scenes of my little photo shoot that I'm doing today. I do have one client, so anyways, today I gotta go get my makeup done. I got my braids ready so that I can do my wig. I'm so excited for y'all to see the look of this wig. I am gonna be reinstalling my 28-inch frontal unit from my website, and then I got my outfit. I am about to finish getting ready. My makeup appointment is at 11 o'clock, so I have an hour. I need to finish packing my outfits and making sure I have everything ready for my wig. You know, when you get your hair done, I'm gonna be back at it like a crack at it. Okay, y'all, I am at my shop. Got the microphone. You already know where to go. We're gonna do a wig install. If y'all want a detailed tutorial of this wig install, check it out. I'm gonna drop the video. It's gonna be 2 separate videos. I know the lighting is probably not that good, but just how I have everything angled. I'm recording for Instagram and YouTube. So if you guys catch me looking at this camera, that is what I'm doing. Let's get started. So I'm going to lay my baby hairs back with some edge control. I am going to keep my 2 braids because I don't have enough time. Because I have my makeup done, I will not be pulling this cap all over my face because your girl did her job. I'm gonna have a fucking panic attack. I just feel like I'm so behind on time and I'm not nowhere done. And this shit is fucking tangled. She's pissing me off, man. Okay, I just want my pictures to look nice. I don't want them to look rushed. I don't want my hair to look rushed. So let's do the baby hairs now. This would have looked like up under, but we're gonna cover that up. Okay, let me hurry up and we gotta go. We just gotta thug it out. Okay, let's go. My shop looks horrible, but once my client get here, I'm gonna clean it. And that's at like 5 o'clock. I might push it back to 5:30. Let's see if she understands. She said she's going to the casino tonight. Success. Okay, y'all, so photos look bomb. Y'all seen the wig install. It's not my best work. I got some dookie braids, so my wig won't lay flat on the side. It needs to be flat like that. You see that? That's a dookie braid. that thing that's sticking out, sticky red. But with a little bit of editing, a little bit of filters, we're good. I can't wait to post the pictures. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Like, comment, and subscribe. I still got one more client, so I'm gonna finish off my day. She's coming in 30 minutes, so I have enough time to grab me some food real quick, some Chick-fil-A. Since I don't like the way my hair is, I'm honestly probably going to take it off and reinstall it. I think tomorrow morning I'll have enough time. Enough with the excuses, bitch. Every motherfucking time. My install don't look that bad, but the way it's looking right, I mean, it looks fucking bad to me. I don't give a fuck. If y'all like my install, let me know. If it needs some more work, let me know. I feel like a cool bitch. Earlier, a bitch was having a panic attack. I'm gonna have to rewatch that. I didn't have more than enough time, but I definitely got the job done. So that concludes the photo shoot. Shout out to y'all. If you're new here or if you're not, I fuck with you. I fuck with you.
Few inches later.
Okay, so now I don't got my microphone no more because I'm tired. I'm tired of the microphone. I'm tired of the microphone. While I wait for my client, she said she's gonna be running a little bit late. I am about to finish recording my content and stuff like that. Oh, here she is. You look so pretty. Thanks.
The next day.
Good morning. So it's Monday. It's time to keep it cat. Almost 8 o'clock and I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna try and record at the gym. I'm nervous. People don't give a fuck, but we're gonna. Okay, so it is like 12 o'clock. I just got done doing computer work. I worked on a couple of emails, text messages, and I'm doing a sale this weekend. So make sure if you're not subscribed to my email list, make sure you get onto the list because I only do sales and promotions through my emails and my subscribers. Now we're finna do a touch up. As you guys see, my lace is not looking, it don't look bad. But I don't wear, this is all that I wear to sleep. So I am about to do a touch up. It's real simple, real easy. So let's get into it. So we're just combing out the hair. The way I touch up my hair is just very, very simple. We are going to redo my baby hairs. Okay, so now that I revamped my baby hairs, I only got to be, I'm not finna throw this away. This still got some product. So I'm gonna use it until it's gone, and then once it's gone, I'm gonna get me some Even Spray because I do like the Even Spray gold bottle better than the got to be, but it's gonna do the same thing. So I'm just gonna I am doing ... Do not spray a whole bunch. Like, don't do that. That's what the girls be telling me they be doing. There's so many reasons why you should not do that. It makes a whole bunch of product on your install and it makes it very crunchy. So it doesn't look natural. That's for one. For two, when you're trying to remove the glue, it's gonna bald your frontal. Your baby hairs will be missing. And you won't be able to wear the install that long. Even if you have to like spray it on your finger and then do like that. So that is how I touch up my lace. I am going to tie it down with my elastic blend. I'm probably just gonna wear my hair down today, but I'm not gonna like flat iron it because this is how I put my hair up last night. I either put it up in a bun like I just had, or I braid it up. So now we're gonna start with detangling it. This hair is super soft. I haven't done nothing to it. I just pulled it out of the bun. Super quality hair, y'all. So we're gonna start from the bottom. Somebody asked me, how do I keep my hair shiny? I honestly don't do much to my hair. Honestly, like, this is how I usually touch up my installs. After a week or two, and it's so much buildup right here, I will clean it off with some alcohol. I'll drop a tutorial. I'm gonna wear this install for a while, for like a week or two. This is the hair. So the hair does shed a little bit, but nothing too major. Just a little bit on the comb. But like I said, you can prevent shedding by wrapping your hair up at night. Wrapping it up at night and combing from the bottom to the top. So now the hair doesn't look bad, but it is super frizzy. So I am going to go in with my Carol's Daughter. This is a leave-in conditioner spray. You can get this at Kroger's, King Soopers. You can get this at Sally's. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. She's literally everywhere. So I'm just gonna spray the ends because they look very much frizzy. And then I'm gonna go back through with the comb. And this is how I'm gonna wear my hair today. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I felt like it's been long enough. Boom. This is how I'm gonna wear my hair today. Very simple, very cute. It's quality hair, so effortlessly. I'm about to run a couple errands. I don't have much to do. I have a meeting at 4 that's supposed to be an hour and a half. Okay, but an hour and a half, y'all. I'm about to wash my car, go to the hair store. I'm waiting on a package, so I'm going to and then hopefully my package does deliver by then, because I have a couple of wigs to work on and ship out. I'm getting more out of state orders. It's really good. Okay, so I just got out a meeting. I got me a social media manager. I'm super excited. Now I got somebody managing my platform. They're gonna do the strategic work to make sure that I'm leveraging social media as much as I can, which I'm super excited, and I just haven't been having the time to do that type of stuff. So now I can focus on the things that I want to focus on. Okay, so I am about to curl my hair, record some content, and I'm about to go live. Yay! So this is what my hair is looking like after a full day. Y'all seen the routine in the morning. I did not do nothing. But this is what my hair is looking like. It's a little frizzy. Nothing a little flat iron can use, but I'm lazy. Okay, I do not got time. We are about to go live on Facebook. Do a little Q&A, see what the girls got to talk about. The rest of this video is going to be time lapse of me curling my hair on Instagram Live. We're gonna kill two birds with one stone, so let's get it. I ended my live video. I was barely live. Nobody was on my stuff talking to me, so if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Talk to me, engage with me, have a conversation with me, ask me hair questions and stuff like that, even if you want me to do a tutorial. But now I'm gonna do my makeup. I started doing my own makeup, y'all. I think it looks nice. Best. My makeup artist definitely. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a hairstylist. But I'm about to order some pizza. It's 8 o'clock. I'm gonna record some content and then I'm gonna cook. And then that's the end of today. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all behind the scenes of me doing the content. So I ended up taking off the black. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just let the pink on the inner eye stay. I thought that was cuter. Dust yourself off and try it again. First you don't succeed. Dust yourself off and try it again. So sometimes you just gotta try it again. But now my social media manager, she's sending me a whole bunch of different pillars for me to do on social media. So this is what the curls turned out to. I combed them out. They are super cute. And my microphone. I need my microphone. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, I think I'm ready. So now my hair looks good. Makeup looks good. I'm excited. Let's get into it. I got my microphone. Mic check, mic check. Okay, so my curls look so good, y'all. I didn't put no product. I put a little got to be spray for hold, but for the most part, this is no product. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Instagram so y'all can see my pictures. And thank y'all so much for tuning in to my video.